name's Baade. I'm a project engineer and I work for Ace Metalcrafts. We started up a team of, I believe it was 8 people, about a year and a half before we decided to go with M1. We had a list of about 100 that we found online. We narrowed that down to 9, which we actually saw demos on. Knocked that down to 3, and we weren't happy with any of those. And then we discovered ECI M1. M1 clearly had an advantage when it came to ease of use and the screenshots available to it. We were able to set up shop floor boards, we were able to customize. We were able to see that M1 was going to work so well for us with the way that the grids and the entry forms were set up. The demo that we saw was so organized that we could see the improvement, the advantage over our current system and all the other systems that we were reviewing. Customization was a big sell for me. The approach we took wasn't that we wanted to just have an implementer come in. We wanted to take this software to make it our own. So the customization portion is huge in that. I can open up a form, I can rearrange the form, I can add fields, I can remove fields, I can make brand new forms, I can make brand new modules, all of these things on a software that already had all the core functionality we had. A lot of our customizations really help production, scheduling being one of them. M1 has a lot of default scheduling, which people who are looking at ERP are going to be familiar with: backward infinite, backward finite, forward infinite, forward finite. But those approaches don't help us 100% at ACE because we have a lot of unique customer situations. So now we built these modules, they're unique to us, but they help us so that when we're scheduling our jobs, planning our jobs, we can give an accurate promise date to our customer, and we give production a balanced load for when they process. I would recommend M1 to anyone who came in here. Its ease of use, the way that you can change it into a software for yourself. It is the most flexible software that I've ever worked with. So yeah, I mean, it's going to work for everyone because you can make it do what you need it to do for you.